What up y'all, this is J Russ aka Jonas the Barber, back at it again with another Hundlik video. Today we're back with another hair clipper unboxing, but not just your average hair clipper unboxing. Today we have a special one from a company called the Fade Company. This company was launched by Sheldon from the legendary Barber, and we got some hair clippers to unbox first, hands on. As you guys can see over here, today we got the hair clipper and we got the trimmer to unbox. So stay tuned and let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so this is the unboxing of the new South African brand called the Fade Company. Today we're going to be unboxing both the Fade cordless master as well as the cordless T-outliner trimmer Pro series. Today was the official launch day of the Fade Company, so I was one of the first people to get the first hands-on on both these professional clippers right here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of both of them. Which one do we start off with first? Let's go with the cordless master Fade clipper. So as you can see over there, it says it's a Fade clipper brand, the next level of grooming. It says it's a professional hair clipper. It says cordless master Fade clipper Pro series, sharp teeth for effortless precision. It says it comes with a stand-up charger, has a high quality blade, it has cordless convenience, and it has a 3-hour operation time. It says it has an ergonomic design as well. If you turn the box to the side like that, there you can see it says high quality professional hair clipper with quick charging adapter, has a quiet high performance motor. Says high quality, embrace the optimum of grooming excellence with our high quality hair clipper, durable and reliable. It promises precision and longevity for a consistently superior performance. It says it's a professional hair clipper. Releases salon level precision at home with our professional grade hair clipper engineered for efficiency. It meets the high standards of stylists, ensuring a top tier haircut whether you're a pro or an enthusiast. So for all you beginner barbers, this might be the clipper for you, especially to support local brands. It says it has a quick charging adapter. Stay efficient with our hair clippers quick charging adapter. Enjoying the convenience of soft power-ups, minimizing downtime and seamlessly integrating grooming into your busy lifestyle. It says it has a quiet high-performance motor. Experience a tranquil grooming session with our hair clipper's quiet high-performance motor. Powerful yet discreet, it ensures an uninterrupted focus on achieving the perfect haircut, whether in a bustling salon or the comfort of your home. The back of the box gives you some directions for use and specifications. It says the cordless master Fade clipper Pro series offers precision fades with a turbocharged motor and adjustable length settings for a customized look. Enjoy cordless freedom, achieve professional results at home or on the go. Join the Pro series for precision grooming experience. Alright, it says charge the clipper for use. The specifications, it says it works for 3 hours. Charging time is 3 hours. Working time is 2.5 hours. The blade material is stainless steel. It has the same specifications we've seen in the front. If you turn the box to the side over here, it says accessories. You get an oil bottle. You get 8 guide combs, a universal voltage charger, and a brush. So yeah, let's get this bad boy open. Get my trusty blade, and yeah, let's slice this bad boy open. I'm super keen to see. First of all, I must say their packaging has a premium experience. I'll give them a 10 out of 10 for that, eh? Very unique. The box design is very different. Unlike the other boxes that I've unboxed, the other clippers I've unboxed. So let's get this bad boy open. As you guys can see, you are greeted with the clipper itself. In standard fashion, we'll take the clipper out Oh, wait. Is there a 2-layer system here? One box. Oh, no, there isn't. I thought there was a 2-layer. So we'll take the clipper out and put this to the side. You know we like to get to that last. You are greeted with the clipper oil, with the charger itself. It looks like the nice lengthy charger, I must say. Looks about 1.5 meters to 2 meters long. Nice quality, it seems like, on the cable. Could be better, I've seen better. Wild obviously does way better quality, but for a startup, I must say, better than some of the Chinese brands I've seen. You get a brush, nice cleaning brush. You get the charging stand itself, the charging dock. This feels nice and premium, I must say. Has a nice weight to it. It's very nice, very nice. I was told that both the trimmer and the clipper can charge on one dock. That's actually that's fire. That's fire right there. So that's how it looks over there, the charging dock. It does slide a bit. Doesn't have rubber feet underneath, so it is gonna move a bit if you don't have a sturdy surface. So just make sure that that's covered. You get your guard combs. Seems like you get the half guard, 1.5, 2, 3, and 4 guards. And it looks like the metal combs, metal clips, sorry. That's actually fire there, that's fire. You get your cordless master fade clipper pro series, the user manual, but as in my channel's fashion, we do not read the manual, we always throw it to the side. Alright, let's get all the boxes out of the way and come to the star of the show, which is the Fade Cordless Master. Okay, let's get to this unboxing. First impressions, I must say, the clipper feels nice and premium. It has a nice rubber front over here for nice grip. Sheesh, it's actually very nicely well built, hey guys. Has some nice textured grip at the back as well. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. It feels like the weight of a cordless senior, if I must say. Exposing the blade. The blades look very they look very nice, eh? Yo, the blades look very nice, I must say. Plus the blades already look perfectly gapped. Straight out of the box, I must say. Oh, and we have a click lever system. So you get a fade blade with a click lever system. Let's see how many clicks are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you have a 4-lever click system. And that's how you have a operation LED right over there. And that's how the clipper sounds when it's on. Today I was told it has a brushless motor. So I'm keen to test this out. And yeah, that's the clipper right there. Fits nicely into the charge stand just like that. But yeah, let's move all this stuff and get straight to the trimmer. Alright, so moving on to the cordless T-Outliner Trimmer Pro Series. Where on the box it showcases that it has a stand-up charger as well. It has ultra precision T blades. It has cordless convenience operating time of 3 hours as well. Has an ergonomic design. If you turn to the side there, the accessories that it comes with is 3 times combs, a universal voltage charger with a brush as well. At the back, gives you directions for use, and it has specifications. More or less the same as the hair clipper itself. The only difference is it says it also has an ultra precision T blade. But yeah, that's basically what it has on the outside packaging. Let's get this bad boy open. I'm keen to see this trimmer itself. Use our trusty razor. Get this bad boy open. And again, I must say, this is a premium unboxing experience. Especially for a South African brand. This is levels above some of the established brands already, I must say. So as we open it like that, we are greeted with the trimmer, as you know. We'll take that off over there. I'll put that trimmer to the side. We're greeted with the charge stand, as you guys know. We have the charging cable, charging adapter. We have the three combs. We have clipper oil. We have a cleaning brush. The user manual that we do not look at on this channel. We'll put the box to the side, and we'll get to the start of the show. The cordless steel outliner, cordless steel liner. Sheesh, this thing also feels premium. Nice rubber front in the front like that, so it's nice. Oh sheesh, this thing is actually very nice. It feels nice and weighty, premium weight, but like using it like in the edging up position, the trimming position, it doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels actually kind of nice. As you can see, the back grips over here. There's a nice design to it. So in the marketing today, Sheldon told us that these blades were zero gapped already. And there you guys can see the blades are zero gapped. They come zero gapped out the box, guys. The blades look nice. Not sure if they're adjustable, but it may just be adjustable. As you can see over there, I see some screws. It looks like it could be adjusting screws. Not entirely sure, or do they just come with one position which is zero gapped? But this is how they sound. Nice and quiet as well. These are also very nice, I must say. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited for all my African barbers. Finally a brand from Africa for Africa. And yeah, I'm excited to get a hands on with this. I'd like test it out. And stay tuned for the review. Stay blessed, stay safe, and peace out, y'all peeps.